Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you a demo for this issue. This issue is about research spike for if we can cancel pipeline when an error rate exceeds the threshold. So GitLab has a monitoring feature, and it monitors the performance of environments, for example, production environment. And if the error rate exceeds a certain amount of level, then we trigger a bunch of actions. For example, creating the issue or sending an email to developer. And the issue is about research if we can cancel deployment pipelines after incident is detected. Here's a demo project, and then I already implemented a few things in this GitLab instance on local environment. One is canceling deployment jobs after an incident happened, and the second one is showing rollback page from an incident issue. So let's take a look. Now we are at this project and this demo project, and let's see the current metrics on production and environment. And in this demo, we are just looking at this Nginx ingress, the metrics, throughput, latency, HTTP error rate. There's three types of metrics, but today we only looking at this HTTP error rate. So if an application gets a lot of 500 errors, then this bar is going to high, and currently it's 0%. So it seems good for now. And let's assume that we create a new deployment pipeline. We click run pipeline button, and it creates a pipeline. And since I've configured that this uses timed incremental rollout, there are 4 deployment jobs here. And each job starts 5 minutes delay. Yes, 5 minutes delay. And for example, after a build job is done, incremental rollout 10%, which means deploying new application code to 10% of entire fleet. And so like user, like a 10% of user access to the new application, and then 90% of users access the rest of, sorry, 10%, yeah, 90% of users access the old application, which is considered as stable. And after 10% of jobs is done, 25% of the job is scheduled to be executed 5 minutes later, and like 5 minutes. So it takes 20 minutes. It takes 20 minutes to fully roll out a new application code. Yes. So this is our deployment pipeline. And let's see. Let's wait until incremental rollout 10% of the job is done. Okay. Now we're seeing that incremental rollout 10% of the job is done. And now 25% rollout is scheduled and then executed in 4 minutes and a half. And let's take a look at the deploy board. Since we done 10% rollout, we are seeing that like there are 5 pods, and then one of them is running the latest code, but the 4 of them are still running older code, stable code. And let's assume that this new code had contained some bugs, and it contribute to the problem that it causes a lot of 500 errors. Here is a custom script to increase the error rate on production environment. See, we are seeing a spike on this HTTP error rate metric, and if things work correctly, GitLab should get their notification from Prometheus alert manager that hey, HTTP error rate exceeds this threshold, which is currently set as if error rate exceeds 0.2%, then GitLab should get a notification from Prometheus. And since this notification is evaluated every 5 minutes, we should wait a bit until GitLab gets a notification. So let's wait a bit. Okay, now we got the notification from Prometheus, and then we already have a feature to create an incident issue automatically, like this. Production environment HTTP error rate exceeds 0.2% for 5 minutes, and you see here when it started, and then you see here clearly. And also, I added the rollback page because if operators see an incident on a new deployment code, they probably want to roll back to the previous stable version. So this is our deployment history on production environment, and see, users can see the rollback button to the previous deployment. So here's our deployment pipeline we are talking about. We confirmed that increment rollout 10% finished, and after that 25% was scheduled. But since GitLab detected that something went wrong on production environment, these subsequent deployment jobs were canceled. Maybe in the when we implement this functionality as a feature, we should show like cancel reason why these jobs were canceled. Probably we should show that we should show the reason in job page that like, hey, this job was canceled because error rate exceeded, and so on. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.